What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day, number 343. I've got a lot of new stuff this week, stuff I haven't tasted before, distilleries I haven't even explored before, so I'm really looking forward to this week coming up. What have I got today? I've got the brand new Espresso Vodka from Bruinwood. Of course, I love Espresso Vodka. I know that sounds horrible, but I don't know which coffee roaster they used. I talked to someone the other day, I'm doing a little consulting job on the side, about coffee in alcohol. And it is a difficult thing because the coffee, especially here in Victoria, if you're Victoria or Vancouver based, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The super acidic, bright, citrus, strawberries, and all this sort of crazy flavor profiles. It's not usually heavily roasted. So when you go to put that into alcohol, it doesn't translate out as coffee flavors. So you really need to use a coffee that is almost over roasted. So you get a really poignant, really heavy coffee note. But let's kick it off. Oh, straight away, that beautiful coffee note. Really deep, over roasted coffee, like dark leather, that sort of nose to it. Still 40%. Yeah, that hits the spot. I was actually shocked a little bit because there's no sweetness to it. So I got caught off guard a little bit because there's no sweetness to it. Obviously, the vodka base that Bruinwood uses is fantastic, and this coffee that they've used is just on point. Beautiful coffee liqueur, coffee vodka, espresso vodka. The coffee is really heavily roasted, beautiful leather, chocolates, a little bit of light caramels in there. Almost a burnt vanilla sort of note to it. Really, really tasty. So, be banging this into, personally, I'd be going into my shafts or my White Russians. That's where I'd be going with this one. The Espresso Vodka from Bruinwood. Thanks as always for the support, guys. Chat to you soon. Bye.